Hi. So I'm sorry for the kind of odd angle, but you're going to understand why in a minute when I do this little demonstration. But I wanted to share with you guys really quick about the different ways that you can clean. So there's 3 different ways that you can clean surfaces in your house. The first way is chemically, and that, should be pretty obvious. That means you're taking something like wipes or a spray or something like that and using that to clean the surfaces in your home, like your counters or your toilet or what have you. The second way you can clean is with steam. That just means, you just get something really hot and the heat and the steam will clean for you. And third way to clean is mechanically. So to help you understand what mechanical cleaning is, I'm going to give you a little example. So if you're outside and you are taking care of weeds that are in your yard, they're like by your back deck, you can take a spray of weed killer and you can spray that on your weeds and they will die. But their dead bodies or the dead weeds will be left behind. That is an example of chemical cleaning. An example in that circumstance of mechanical cleaning would be actually physically taking the weeds and removing them from the spot that they're in, and then they would be gone, especially if you got the roots and all. A different way to look at it as well would be, say someone presents you with 2 glasses of water and says, this glass here over on the left, all of the bacteria has been killed. But this glass of water here on the right, all the bacteria has been removed. Which glass of water would you like to drink? So, Norwex is mechanical cleaning. We are basically using the microfibers in this cloth because they are so tight and so dense, which we will talk about in a different video, to pick up 99% of bacteria off of your surfaces. The microfiber acts like little grabbers and they grab right onto it and remove it from your surface. So just as a little demonstration, I'm going to use this counter here, and it's dark so that I can use a black light, which you will see in a little bit. So we're going to use something called Glow Germ. This is going to represent bacteria on my counter surface. So we're going to try to just get a little bit here on this counter surface. And then I'm going to shine the light on it so you can see it. See, that is where all the nasty bacteria is on my counter. So first, I'm going to grab one of these cleaning wipes that we have talked about before. If I can get just one of them, excuse me, pardon me. Okay, so I'm gonna take this wipe and I'm gonna clean my surface with it. Just like I would normally. And I'll be honest, I used to use these to clean most surfaces. I've used them in my bathroom and I've used them to clean around my sink. But now we're going to take a little look-see over here at the surface, and you can see that right there, how I didn't really clean the surface off. I wiped it off really good. You watched me do it. But you can see that bacteria, our representation for bacteria, is still all over this countertop, like all over it. So I'm going to take my EnviroCloth and we're just going to wipe a swipe right down the middle here. And now we're going to shine the light back on, and you can see where I wiped with my EnviroCloth. Right there down the middle, it picked it right up. So we're going to take 2 seconds and I'm going to wipe the rest of my surface to try to get the rest of those germs and bacteria off. I'm going to shine the light back on it. And it's gone. You can see over here where I missed the corner, but the rest of it's all gone. And it wiped it all up. So that is a prime example for you guys of the difference between chemical cleaning and mechanical cleaning.